Good afternoon, my loves. Welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm super fabulous. Welcome all the way here in Bangkok in Thailand. Enjoying my stay as usual. So today I literally moved into a new apartment, trying to get closer to the city center, because where I was staying was a little bit out of the city. I'm still trying to learn my ways around Bangkok, but now I am a bit closer to the city center, and I just want to share my apartment with you guys. Let me know what you think about my previous videos of Thailand. Do you love what you're seeing? If you've been to Thailand, you can leave recommendations of places to go to, and while you're at it, make sure that you add my channel to your watch list and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my daily uploads. So yeah, let me share my apartment with you guys. It's a very small space, good enough for me. It looks small, but it's actually spacious. They utilize the space really good. But anyway, this is the front door, and this is the mini kitchen. Like, it's so tiny but it's like okay, you know, because yeah, I'm just gonna be making quick meals, coffee in the morning, cereal. Anyway, yeah, this is the kitchen. It has a fridge over there on the corner, and a cabinet, a small cabinet with a hot plate stove, and we have like coffee cups over there with plates, a sink, and a microwave down here. So yeah, this is where I will be making my snacks. And here is don't mind my bag, I literally just checked into this place. There's a mini dining table where I can sit and enjoy my meals, kettle for boiling water for my coffee, and they supplied me with some serviettes here and snacks. How nice and sweet of them to do that. Anyway, moving on, before we move on to the living room, this is the bathroom. Very spacious bathroom, as you can see. The shower, and I am happy about them having the shower glass. Fresh towels, I love the color, this nude brown color, and the toilet, of course. And this is the sink where I'll be brushing my teeth, and they supplied me with these are like lotion, conditioner, shampoo, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, and hand towels, then hand washing liquid, and a toothbrush and hair dryer. Yes, this is it from the bathroom. I love it so much. And here's the living space. The living space is like the same as the kitchen space, so it's like an open plan setup. I love this painting on the wall. It's so beautiful, like a spring flowery kind of picture. And the couch is so beautiful and classy, if I may put it that way. I love the design so much. And over here is the TV stand with a TV screen over there, and a plant over here. Very beautiful. More pictures on the wall, air conditioning, and the curtain. Beautiful aesthetic. I just love it so much. I love a very neat curtain, guys. A very neat and, you know, finely positioned curtain. Like, it's very neat and really beautiful. I love it. Moving on to the bedroom. This is my bedroom. It's white linen, honeys. I love white linen so much. So this is the bedroom. This is my bed, and this is where I'll be doing my makeup, looking pretty to go and do the vlogs. This is my closet over here, and this is where I can put my clothes. hangers and more space. So yeah, this is it. Here are my bags. I still need to unpack, and big mirrors, actually 2 of them, 1 mirror over here and another this side. So I love big mirrors, big mirrors. Anyway, yeah, this is it, guys. This is my beautiful apartment. Oh yeah, and there's another beautiful aesthetic here, a picture of him. I don't know if that's a guitar or what. Yeah, and then yeah, this is so cute. This is like a little mini compartment storage. I don't know what they call them, but they have a particular name, but it's so beautiful. And yeah, I feel like the place looks very classy for a young beautiful girl traveling the world by myself. It's comfortable, the place is even safe. The stuff here is really nice. There's a gym, there's a pool as well, so I'm going to enjoy my stay in this amazing place. Anyway, guys, this is where I will be staying for a couple of days before I start traveling around Thailand. I hope you stick around for more and more and more videos of Thailand, and I will see you on my next video, my lovelies. From me today, it's all love. Mwah! Toodles, toodles.
Parte de mi amanecer, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Y por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá. Y cuando la encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar. Día